not that I don't want you here. Yeah, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.
This is the finished look after styling. I'm headed out really soon, so I don't have enough time to really slay how I want to, but I wanted to make sure I got the details out while I have my, face together. So I purchased this from omgherhair.com. It's a pre-bleached and pre-plucked 180% density virgin Brazilian bob. And the really cool thing about this is that it is dual density, so it's 130% density in the front and then 180% in the back, which is nice, so you don't have like that bulky feel because you want something sleek for a bob. I got this in 8 inches. There's a 4.5-inch parting space, and it is a glueless lace front wig. So as you can see, this is not glued down whatsoever, and like I said, my braids underneath here are not completely flat, so this is sliding, but I didn't want to get this video out. Overall, I really like this wig. Off rip, out of the box, it smelled amazing. Like, I've never purchased a wig and liked the smell. It usually comes out of the box with, like, that chemical scent that most wigs and hair extensions have from, being shipped from like the manufacturers overseas. That's just not a good smell. But this, and even now, it has a good scent. Like, I was really surprised by that. This is such a great summer wig. It's something easy that you can just throw on once it's styled. And I did a lot of the styling on my new mannequin head. I'm super excited. I've been wanting one of these for forever. And I purchased mine on Amazon, and I'll leave that in the description below for y'all. I'm really happy with the end result. I think this is a really cute, really quick, easy style for really any season. Right now it's summertime in Atlanta and it's kind of hot, so short hair, don't care. Something I could easily throw on, and I think what I might do is just like swoop this back so it falls real nice. But overall, I give this wig a 10 out of 10. Yeah, 10 out of 10. Omgherhair did great with like shipping. I ordered this a week ago, and I got it in less than 7 days, which was a very quick turnaround. This is by no means a paid promo or sponsored video. I did this just because I wanted to, and I completely forgot to do an outro. So to hit subscribe, hit like, leave a comment below if you like the wig or if you have any questions, and I'll see y'all for my next video.